How many of you judge women who are interested in FWB or Netflix and chill? I am a grown woman, and I have been single for a long time, didn't have sex either. And now I would like to have a friend with benefits or someone for Netflix and chill. But I am not sure about what men think of this. I heard a lot of men think less of a woman who has sex with them quickly on the first date or similar, or is not really interested in a relationship. How common is this, and what do you think? Edit. I don't intend to have multiple FWBs. I don't even use dating apps. I would only have one FWB. Also, safe sex.